Hi, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and I have a little Dollar Tree DIY action for you with some of the things that I purchased. I'm a little bummed because I had some footage and I deleted it. I think I deleted a whole file off my phone that got rid of a bunch of footage, so I'm kind of bummed, but we'll be okay. It'll be all right. All right. So, some things that I had purchased recently for Valentine's Day at the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to show you what I've done with it. So, the first thing I did is I took these foam stickers, and they're literally just that. They're just different size little foam, and they're pretty chintzy, but whatever, pieces of hearts. And I took some twine that I get in the green, the white, or the natural and the green. And I made a little garland with it. So easy. I just peeled the two hearts, laid them down, and I sandwiched the twine. It's not perfect, but I love how rustic it looks on this twine. And I just did a little pattern. I have so many hearts left out of the first bag. I could make a ton of twine or a ton of garland, but I want this for my kitchen window. So I just needed it this big. And I love the rustic because that's what I'm into right now. You know, rustic, AKA oops. Okay. The second project that I created, I used those wooden hearts. They're really thin chipboard hearts. These, and then I took some of this Dollar Tree spackle stuff and I filled in the holes, and I painted it buffalo check or gingham, whatever you want to call it, and I glued them together. Oh, I'm so in love. And this little bit of come on, you can do it. It wants to focus on my head. This little bit of trim, I bought these at the dollar spot at Target. Or, yep, you guessed it, $1. And then this welcome were the 10 letters that I had from fall. I couldn't get the paint to stick to the 10 letters, so I used nail polish. And then I'm not sure how long I'll need it. And then I just used some black baker's twine. I'm going to hang this in my kitchen window. And I love it. And I had some footage of how I painted this. But if you just Google buffalo, or on YouTube, look up buffalo check, there's 100 videos on how to do it. So I love that double heart to hang in my kitchen window. I thought that was adorable. The trim was $1. These were $1, $3, $5. I mean, less than $5. And I'm loving red, white, and black. And I'm loving black and white. And for that, I only had 1.5 inches of the painter's tape. So I put it on my cutting mat and cut them in half. So I have like 3/4 inch stripes. Because that is the size that I wanted. But it doesn't matter whatever size you want of tape. You just cut it. Or buy it in that size. And then the last thing I did, this is going to be a super quick one, guys. I took the dollar heart that I bought, this MDF board. I took it. Are you ready? I am in love. Love, I tell you. I painted it black and white buffalo check. Hello. Hi. And then I outlined it with that black and white baker's twine. OMG. We could hang this. I'm going to set it on my microwave in the kitchen because that's what I want. But you could hang it. You could lean it. You could do it any colors you want. This happens to match my kitchen. Oh my gosh. I could even leave it out past Are you in love as I am in love? I mean, tell me this is not completely adorable. Oh, yes, I'm in love with how it turned out. And I love the baker's twine. Now, I will tell you my little trick. You've got to move fast with the glue gun. I have a low temp glue gun. And the first couple tries, it cooled and peeled off before I get the twine in. So it's honestly like a little bit at a time. There's a lot of little stinky things. A little bit, stick it, a little bit. And I used a tool that I have, which is actually a dental tool, but I ordered it for my Cricut to do weeding. And I used that to like mash down the twine into the hot glue so I didn't burn myself. I mean, is this not perfect? I'm in love with it if you can't tell, but that's okay. It's okay. I can love it. So that, oh, and I got that trim also at the dollar spot at Target, which was $1. So they have some cute trims, and I just thought it just finished the things off perfectly. But I could have went with this twine. I could use the green twine. I could use red and white baker's twine. Whatever you have, just use it. Same thing with this. Whatever you have, you just use it. It doesn't have to be expensive. You know what I mean? It's just cute. So I have these items. One other thing I bought while I was there. Look at these cards. You know how much I love a pun. Quill you, quill you. They're hedgehogs. Be my Valentine. Let me take these out. My team at work, we're doing Valentine boxes, like we're children. And I guess I don't understand what you do with these. Maybe you, I don't really know what you're supposed to do. Maybe write a note on the inside? Or is it supposed to like stand up? I don't know. There's no directions. Just says Valentine Day cards, and there's stickers. So maybe you're supposed to write a note on the inside. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Or maybe you're supposed to fold them this way and seal them. And then when they open it up, I don't know. If you know, let me know. It's weird. And by weird, I mean not bad weird, but odd. Maybe I'll just cut them and make them flat, and I'll attach them to some candy. I don't know. All right, guys, but that was it for my super quick Dollar Tree Valentine's craft. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below. Tell me what you think these are for, because I'm not really sure. I just kind of bought them because they were cute. And I'll have some other things coming real soon. All right, everybody, good night. Talk to you later. Bye.